Hi, in this session we'll be discussing of the functions. What is a function? A function is defined as a relation, but it has some well-defined property. Okay, what is a function? Function is also a relation, but it has some defined property. What is a relation? Relation is nothing but a set of ordered pair. Ordered pair means I have some pair of elements, but it is always ordered. That means always the first element belongs to the first set. For example, if my first set is A, and always the second element belongs to the second set. And you call the first set as always the domain, and the second set is always the range. So when you talk about a relation, so relation has a domain set and a range set. Okay, and it is ordered. So always it will be starting from domain to range. That is our relation. But function is nothing but a relation which has all the properties. Along with this, it has a property of each and every element in domain has a relation with exactly only one element in range, right? So this is the property of the function. So this is the definition of a function. It is a relation but with the property. What is that property? Always each and every element from the domain has only exactly one element from the range, has a relation or has a link. Now if you observe this example, I have set A and I have set B, and in my set A I have X, Y, Z. So these three are the names of a person, we will assume that. Okay, and this set B is having some age, 1, 2, 3 are ages of the persons. Okay, and if you observe, each and every element of A is linked with only one element from the B. So it is like only 1 to 1. So I have X to 1 and Y to 2, Z to 3. Okay, this is the property, and if any relation maintains this property, we call that as function. Okay, for example, if you have two arrows coming from X, so your X is having here two outputs, or your X is linked with two elements from B. So then that is not a function. Then we doesn't call that as a function. So what is a function? So if I take an example, so if suppose this is a set, if this is a set and this is another set, and this is called a domain, this is a domain with some set of persons. So I have X and I have Y and I have Z. These three are the person names, and this is another set which is known as a range, and which has the likes of the colors. For example, I have red color and green color and I have yellow color, or I have some purple color. Just make it as a purple. Okay, so this is P, right? Now I will have a relation like this. This is the set A. This is the set A. This is the set B. Okay, this is set A and set B. So if suppose if your person X is liking red color and the person Y is liking green color and the person Z is liking purple color, then I can say yes, this relation is a function. True or false? Yes, this is true. Why? Because each and every person here is associated or has a link of relation with only one element from the other set B. For example, if the person Y is also likes red color. The person Y likes green as well as red color. Then I can say this relation is not at all a function. This relation is not a function. Why? Because there are two arrows, or you can even say there are two links, two outputs from the set Y, from the element of set A, from the element of domain is going to the range. So my element from domain Y has two links, which is R and G. When I have a relation, when I have ordered pair, I have to write Y comma R as well as I have to write Y comma G, because the element is linking with R as well as G. So which is not a function, which is not a property of the function. So we can say that this is not a function. So you can have a note that every relation, every relation is not a function. But every function, yes, it has some relation. Every function has some relation. But every relation is not a function. From this example, can I say this is a relation? Yes, this is a relation, because every element is associated with the other element from range. Every domain is associated with the other element from range. So it is a relation, but it is not a function. Why? Because there are two links from the same element Y from the domain. So this is about functions.